Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to Damon Does It. Today we're going to be using a roller system to remove the deck of our Husqvarna yard tractor. This is 5/16" boards, some 1/2" PVC. We're going to start by placing the rollers in the wood underneath the deck, and then we'll be removing the deck itself. One on either side of the wheels. I'm going to drop the deck. Deck removal video will be right around here. Now pulling from the other side. Maneuver around these mud tires. And as the rollers are exposed, we're going to pull it, put it on the other side. I'm telling you, this is just significantly easier. Now we're free. Let's roll it back, get us out of the sun. Really is a game changer here. One thing so as far as the pipe diameter, doesn't seem to matter. I wouldn't think. Probably wouldn't go more than a 1/2 inch in diameter, just for clearance sake. Be sure to visit my channel, check out my full length videos.